Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore what a verse is and how it relates to the music we make. The verse or A section sets the scene of your song. In composition, a verse is typically when the music starts and the story unfolds. Verses play a crucial role and often contrast with the chorus in terms of intensity and dynamics. While choruses are repetitive and catchy, verses offer variety and depth, making your song more engaging and emotionally resonant. When crafting a verse, think about its structure and melody. A good verse doesn't just repeat the same notes, it evolves. Start with a simple melody and gradually add elements like background vocals or different instruments. This builds up to the chorus, creating a nice sense of anticipation. Here are some quick tips for creating a verse. First off, keep it simple but engaging. Ensure that your verse leads smoothly into the chorus. Use different instruments or sounds to keep it fresh, but most importantly, experiment with rhythms and harmonies. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.